How to turn off Snapchat notifications? Here's how. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Notifications, then tap on it to open your notification settings. You'll now see different notification categories such as messages, mentions, friend requests, stories, memories, and more. To stop receiving specific notifications, simply turn off the toggle next to the categories you don't want. You can disable only certain alerts or turn off multiple categories depending on your preference. If you want to completely disable all Snapchat notifications, close the app and open your phone's settings. Tap Apps. Select Manage Apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Snapchat, then tap on it. Next, tap Notifications to open the notification settings for the app. Finally, turn off the Show Notifications toggle. This will stop all Snapchat notifications from appearing on your device. That's it. You've successfully turned off Snapchat notifications. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Snapchat tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.